All done and dusted. The feet are gone. I'm on form. So how long can you expect the brake pads in a Discovery Sport to last? Well, this is a nearly 3-year-old HSC Black 2016 plate, and it's done about 16,500 miles, about 80% in the city, and the brake pad warning lights coming up. First I'll show you what the warning light looks like when it first appears. It's done 16,600 miles, and brake pads warning message is on the dash. Brake pads warn. So let's have a quick look at the pads to see what state they're in. Well, from what I can see from the side of the car, so obviously I can't see behind the wheel. If you don't already know, the pads are at the front of the car and you've got discs at the back. And a quick look, if you can see, put my finger there, there's a few millimeters there. You can feel it. I don't know if you can see anything. It's behind this alloys. I don't think you can see on this one, but I can feel at least 3 or 4. Well, that's about. There's quite a few, you know, it's at least 3 millimeters. So it might be on the reverse. Check the other side. Oh, this one's more accessible. Yeah, can you see? Let's see if I can zoom in. Similar, it's got about, yeah, you can see the gap. It's got about a similar few millimeters. They're not completely worn, but obviously I can't see the reverse. The other side, unless I move the wheels completely. On the back we got discs. Let's see what they're like. Yeah, that's more. It's clearly more where the discs are. Problem with the discs, you get some corrosion as well, if you can see. So the discs, they corrode. Check the other disc. And again, you got corrosion, and well, this one's the easiest to see. Oh. There's a few millimeters, at least 3 or 4. So in fact, all of them, they're not anywhere near. Not anywhere near being completely gone, not from this part. It looks like it's giving early warnings to replace the pads, unless the reverse sides are gone. It's not making any noises. Anyway, if you've got a Discovery Sport, your brake pads will last 16,500 miles. If you drive mostly in the city, like 80%. Which isn't much, you know, I expected more. Obviously the discs pads last longer because it's front wheel drive mostly. Discovery Sports are mostly front wheel drive, even though they're all wheel drive. So there you have it. That's what to expect in terms of brakes from a Discovery Sport pads anyway. So I'm going to have to schedule to replace these and see how much it costs. The pads themselves don't cost much, but getting people to replace them, a dealer, you can look at 450, something like that, 400, maybe half from a non-dealer, 200. We'll see how much it costs. So do check out the other video for that. And do subscribe for new videos in this Land Rover Discovery Sport series.